All right, folks, the quartz countertops are being delivered. These guys have about 7 years with experience in what they're doing. And yes, this stuff looks heavier than you know what. It's pretty heavy. I asked them if they would mind if I videotaped. They said, nah, no problem. They're both very pleasant. And God, I'd kill myself picking up one of these pieces of tile. Oh yeah, oh that's a big one. That's a real big piece of tile. I think it's an inch, inch and a half. I'm not sure. It looks about an inch from here. Got the stretch going. Yeah, getting ready to pick it up. Technique. Using your legs. Oh yeah. That's some heavy stuff they're moving. I think that's the biggest piece. Yeah, that's the... Looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh yeah.
Your way. Hold on. I got some stuff in front of me over here.
Yep. I can move it.
Yeah, you mind kicking some of this stuff out of the way?
Had a little eruption there while I had to move some stuff out of the way of their feet.
A little bit. Right there. Good.
You guys need to take a break for a second.
Yeah, that's good. That was a good one.
Now you notice these little, this was installed, Mike, the guy who does the IKEA cabinets,
Yeah.
gave me a link for these and said, put them in because you'd be happier.
Yeah.
Are you happier?
Yeah, a little.
A little happier. Well, maybe you just don't get happy, but he said no, that most countertop guys will not like having it hang like that.
Yeah.
So I said, okay.
That was a nice adjusted angle irons too, so.
All right.
I'm gonna slide a little support in the front of that dishwasher.
A little brace being put here over where the dishwasher's gonna go, so we can have a little more support, s'mores, support for the quartz. Got the tool to do a little cutting. It's gonna be sweet. Yeah. It's gonna get noisy. Oh yeah, he's got the strip for the light there, doesn't he?
Want to get the hot glue? Get that warming up. It might be sticky enough as it is, but we'll get the hot glue just in case.
What these devices are doing is using a vacuum to suck down these plates onto the quartz, and then it pulls it together, and the two-part epoxy is now in that seam. That's very cool.
And then what I'm doing is I feel it with the razor blade.
Oh, see if there's an edge?
To try to get it as smooth as we possibly can.
Okay. Oh, and you're lifting it with that.
Yes. We use these cams to kind of do a pivot motion
To level it.
to the best of our ability. So some stones we call deflection, and sometimes we won't be able to level it perfectly because the stones are cut out of the same material. But the issue is, even though they're cut out of the same piece, they might have an eighth of an inch of movement between the whole stone.
So how do people install this stuff if they don't know?
So Menards, if you would get it from, let's say, Menards,
Yeah.
there's a kit they give you of a glue gun that's made out of plastic, two-part epoxy, and I think it's a 7-step instruction on how to do it. But it's not always worth it because, like you said, there might be one step we do differently if they don't not know how to do.
Yeah. Experience counts. Well, color me impressed.